يعلم خائنة الأعين وما تخفي الصدور. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this third lecture, we are going to learn literary terms and devices, mainly personification and hyperbole. Let's begin. Personification. Person, personify, personification. Personification is a figure of speech, like simile, like conceit, like metaphor. So personification, to personify something, or lifeless things are given life. Lifeless things are given life. Or you will personify something by human qualities. For example, you will give human qualities to the animals, to the abstract things, or to the inanimate objects, or to the natural force. Okay, you can personify natural forces, you can personify inanimate objects, you can personify animals by human qualities, or you can give life to the lifeless things. This is actually personification. For example, the flowers are dancing. The flowers are dancing. You are saying that flowers dance, but you know that dancing is a quality of human. That means human can dance, but a flower cannot dance. But you personified the flower by human quality, that is dancing, and you are saying that the flower is dancing. Okay, so the flower is personified here by the human quality, and the quality is dancing. Or the another example, the bird is singing. We know that singing is a quality of human. Human can sing, and the bird has no language, though it has language in its personal world, but according to us, bird has no language. A bird has no language. So if you say the bird is singing, then you personified the bird, or the bird is personified by you by human quality, that is singing. So this is the example of personification. If you say that the flowers are moving their head, touching their head, or they are dancing, and my heart is flying in the sky. Your heart is flying. You said that your heart is flying, but your heart cannot fly. Flying is a quality of bird, and but you said that your heart is flying, so your heart is personified. Or sometimes you can say that love fled from the window, or love fled through the window. Love fled through the window. Actually, love cannot flee. It's not possible, because love is an abstract thing, metaphysical thing. It has no shape, no structure, no measure, no particular shape. It is invisible. It's not visual. So how can love flee? And that's why you can say love is personified here by human quality, that is fleeing or escape or escaping. Okay, so this is the use of personification. You will get personification in poetry and in prose. Okay, the next example is hyperbole. Hyperbole means extra expression. Hyperbole means extra expression, or overstatement, or exaggeration, or obvious exaggeration, overstatement, or extra expression. You are expressing your opinion with exaggeration to create more thrilling, to make something more exciting, more surprising, more fearful. For example, you are waiting for someone and he is late. You are waiting for someone and he is late, and when he came, you told him that, or you said him that, I am waiting for decade. I am waiting for decade. That means for 10 years, I have been waiting here for you for 10 years. Actually, you have been waiting for more than 1 hour, but you are saying that with an extra expression, with an exaggeration, that I have been waiting for a decade. I have been waiting here for a decade. This is the example of hyperbole. Hyperbole means extra expression. In order to create the situation, in order to make the situation more surprising, more fearful, more exciting. For example, you can say, I can bring the moon for the sake of your love, but it's not possible for you to bring the moon for anyone. But you said that. You said because you would like to express your confidence, your true love. And mainly, hyperbole is used in love poetry. Hyperbole is used in love poetry. In order to impress your beloved, you can use hyperbole or extra expression. And maximum hyperbole, or all hyperboles, all the examples of hyperbole are actually false and lie. There is no doubt. Okay, so this is the use of hyperbole. And in poetry, in honors first year, you will have an example that 10,000 saw I at a glance. That means at a glance, chokher ek poloke, at a glance, you have seen 10,000 flowers, but it's not possible for you. But you exaggerated. This is your extra expression to get more attention, more importance by someone. Okay, so this is hyperbole.